So in this section, we have talked about 4 different areas that affect your deliverability. Would you mind giving us a little bit of a recap there?
Yes, so firstly, ensure where you're sending from is set up correctly from a technical perspective, and then worry less about the size of your list, but rather the quality of a list and also where you're getting your list from. Make sure you're not buying or using a rented list. And then a higher quality list is going to result in a more engaged list, which is a very good positive indicator to inbox service providers out there that you are in fact a good sender. So that's where audience engagement is key to staying out of the spam folder, because a more engaged audience is going to be another good sign for that in the inbox providers. And then finally, ensure that you're sending relevant content to your audience using a robust email design too.